Right, next we'll show loading the machine. Just lift the guard, lower the mandrel support arm, then place the log roll. And then just slide it up to the chuck. Just push it up, the roll right up to the face of the chuck there, so straight. If the roll is telescoped on the side, you just bang it against the end of the chuck and that'll straighten up the edge of the roll. Put the key in position, expand out to grip the ID of the core, and just remember to remove the key before you start the machine. Then you've got your 3 pin holders, just push those into the material. That's it. Okay, we've loaded the roll on the machine. Raise the mandrel support up first, and then you can lower the guard. Next thing, make sure the brake is off on the carriage. Wind the carriage along, and you can move the handle forward a bit so the knife just contacts the end of the log roll of the tape. Okay. Then, depending on what width you just wind along your 100mm or your 10 centimetres. That's it. Put your lock in position, and that's your position to start. So next we'll start the machine. Press your reset button first, then press your mandrel start, and set your speed, which is on, I think it's on about 35%, I think, there. Then start your knife drive. See the knife's rotating, and simply bring the handle forward. Bring it forward smoothly, don't just jam it through the roll. And you'll feel the stop when you hit the core, and that's it. Release your brake, there, index it along your 100mm or 10 centimetres, engage your brake again. And so you just pull it forward smoothly. Whenever you want to stop doing it, you just lift your guard and it will automatically stop. Operation of the index counter, you can see the index counter down here. It operates by just moving your handle along. You can move along, say, 10 centimetres or 100mm. Position along till you get to that width you want to cut. You have a lock here which locks the carriage in position. When you move the handle forward to make it cut, it automatically resets the index or digital counter back to 0 again. So you release your brake, move it along your 10 centimetres, okay, you lock it in position, read your 10 centimetres there. When you move it forward, you see it resets back to 0, so you just can repeat the operation.
Go.
Okay, I'll just show how the materials grip. It's like a lathe type chuck, so you insert a key into the square pinion there. You see there's 3 jaws here. When I turn the key, you can see them expanding out, and that grips the core internally. Okay. Generally it's only about 1 turn to expand out enough to grip your core. Always remember to take your key out before you lower the guard and start the machine. Then you also have 3 pin holders here, which is just a simple thumb screw here. Loosen it off a 1/4 of a turn, and you can slide it down and press the pins into the outside diameter of the material, like so. It's quite simple to operate.